Hi there. Are you struggling to make money? Are you struggling to make money online? Maybe you put in long hours and no matter what you do, you don't get the results that you want, the kind of commissions you want. I want to show you this training, coaching by Michael Chaney. I'm sure you have heard of him. He's a very successful online entrepreneur, self-made millionaire, and he has this millionaire club free for 30 days, as you can see here. And then you only pay $6.95 per month after 30 days. And if you change your mind within the 30 days, you don't have to pay anything at all. So what you get is 441 done for your money making promos for hot selling evergreen products. With guaranteed approval, you get a whipping 50% discount on all Michael Chaney's paid training programs, and Ask a Millionaire service, get Michael Chaney's personal help to grow your business, and also exclusive behind the scenes training added every single week. I thought we should check out some testimonials here to see what people that have. Here's a picture of Michael's journey. I thought we should check out testimonials to see what people say about this training. So here is a positive review here. You're a genius, and I use that word really. Your friend and fan, Mike Joyner. And here's another testimonial from Ben Martin. Michael literally handed me over a 7-figure blueprint, and there's goes on and on, many testimonials here. You can check them out for free through the link below. If you want to get started for free, get some more results in your marketing efforts, marketing journey, then click the link below. And thanks so much for watching this video. Hope you liked it, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.